Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the notorious RBG, a champion of equal rights. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg died on September 18 at her home in Washington, D.C. Ginsburg was the women's rights champion and the court's second female justice. She died of complications from metastatic pancreatic cancer at the age of 87. Chief Justice John Roberts expressed his grief over Ginsburg passing. Our nation has lost a jurist of historic stature. We at the Supreme Court have lost a cherished colleague. Today we mourn, but with confidence the future generations will remember Ruth Bader Ginsburg as we knew her, a tireless champion of justice, Roberts said in a statement. Ginsburg was the unquestioned leader of the court's liberal side. Young women affectionately called her the notorious RBG. The nickname was inspired by her defense of the right of women and minorities, the strength she displayed in the face of personal loss and health crises. Those health issues included 5 bouts with cancer beginning in 1999, falls that resulted in broken ribs and the insertion of a stent to clear a blocked artery. There were other hospitalizations after she turned 75 years old. Joan Ruth Bader was born in Brooklyn, New York in 1933, the second daughter in a low-income working-class family where her mother taught her the values of independence and a good education. Her older sister died at the age of 6 with leukemia. Her mother passed away before the day of her high school graduation. Her dream in childhood was to become an opera singer. Ginsburg graduated at the top of her Columbia University Law School in 1959. But no law firm would hire her. She had 3 strikes against her for being Jewish, female, and a mother, as she put in 2007. She married Martin Ginsburg in 1954. He died in 2010. Ruth Bader Ginsburg is survived by 2 children, Jane and James, and several grandchildren. Ginsburg was put on the Supreme Court by the President Bill Clinton in 1993. At the time, the court was strongly conservative. Ginsburg brought a liberal voice to the table. She fought for the rights of women and the working class. Clinton said at the time of her appointment, Ruth Bader Ginsburg does not need a seat on the Supreme Court to earn her place in the American history books. She has already done that. She argued 6 key cases before the court in 1970s when she was architect of women's rights movement and won 5. One of her most significant cases was the 1996 ruling that ordered the Virginia Military Institute to accept women or give up its state funding. Ginsburg also took an interest in capital punishment, voting repeatedly to limit its use. In the most divisive cases, including the Bush vs. Gore decision in the year 2000, she was often at odds with the court's more conservative members. Ginsburg authored powerful dissents of her own in cases involving abortion, voting rights, and paid discrimination against women. She wrote memorably in 2013 about the court's decision to cut out a key part of the federal law that had ensured the voting rights of people of color. She said, "It was like throwing away your umbrella in a rainstorm because of you are not getting wet." In 1999, she won the American Bar Association's Thurgood Marshall Award for her contributions to civil rights. Ginsburg was an equal rights champion, but she said that was not the reason she chose to practice law. "I thought I could do a lawyer's job better than any other," she wrote. "I have no talent in arts, but I do write fairly well and analyze problems clearly." Thank you.